Hey guys, the garden's in full bloom, and what better way to display them than in a nail. So today I'm going to show you how I encapsulated some flowers from my garden. I used some coriander flowers, marshmallow, copper foil and extreme shine top coat. Apply 2 layers of marshmallow and cure in the lamp, and then select what flowers you're going to choose to apply to the nail plate. Apply a layer of marshmallow, don't cure it, and we're going to set the flowers into this. I decided to go for the coriander flower because it was white and I just thought it was so pretty. So I cut a few leaves off, and here I am placing the coriander flower on. These are quite a delicate flower, so you have to be quite careful putting them on, but they will flatten really well. It's well worth thinking, if you've got any flowers in your garden, you could maybe, dry them for your own supplies. It's not hard to do at all. And I'm just placing on some leaves here. And when you're happy with the placement of everything, you can go ahead and cure in the lamp for the recommended time, 60 seconds, with gel bottle ink. And once it's cured, then you can apply a layer of rubber top coat. That's cured, and the layer of rubber top coat. Then I'm just applying some copper foil. Once you're happy with your foil placement, you can go ahead and top coat that, cure it in the lamp, and this is the final result. I think this is so pretty, and it's nice to use flowers from my own garden. So let me know what you think of this process, and if you like the finished result. Thanks for watching again. Bye.